Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the door locks, the central locking fuses relays on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain about that. We'll talk about, guys, please do not waste your money, by the way, on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be simple fix. We'll explain what else can cause the central locking, the door locks not to work, door not to lock and unlock. And by the way, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, the door locks, also known as the central locking fuses and relays, come guys to explain which fuses relays we need to check. We will demonstrate on that generation GMC Terrain. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the front right door, guys. On the passenger side. In the passenger side footwell compartment here on the side of the center console, you're going to find one cover. Pop that cover open, lift it from the bottom, and underneath is the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, here what do we need to check specifically? Okay, multiple fuses. These fuses are for the body control module. Body control modules most likely controls the central locking, the door locks as well. There is not specifically dedicated fuse for that function only, but it could be a secondary fuse that you need to check. And here we'll need to check multiple fuses. We're talking about fuse number 4, fuse number 6, fuse number 7, fuse number 8, number 16, 20, fuse number 30, 34, and fuse number 40. All of these fuses will need to be checked. You don't have relays specifically for that purpose as well, but if you still have problems with the central locking, guys, okay, you may go ahead and scan the BCM and see the central locking module, okay, which codes it gives you. But if door does not lock or unlock, it's not, if it's just a single door, it's not a fuse, it's not related to that. We have a special video that will explain why door does not lock or unlock on GMC Terrain. Check it out, it will teach you what to do and how to fix it step by step. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.